Choosing the right window operation will dramatically change the overall look, appearance, and operation of how your window replacement turns out. Let's look at quite a few things here. So this is your XO, or sliding window. Your X is always the operating panel viewed from the outside looking in. Your O is always your fixed panel, again viewed from the outside looking in. Utilizing it in a bedroom where you have shutters or blinds, this works fantastic. Now, if you don't need egress or cross ventilation, a picture window might be a good option. A picture window can have full pieces of glass without the internal or external grids. And what that's going to do is let your eyes carry outward, making that exterior view part of the inside, creating also a larger feeling on the inside. Let's check out a different operation. This is going to be a casement window. A casement window is going to look like a picture window, but it is going to operate. If you see here, it's operation, picture window look, so it's the best of both worlds. However, with a casement window, you are going to have screens on the inside, not on the exterior. So if you are particular about that, definitely something to consider. Some manufacturing companies do offer a clear view or a true view, a more visibly see-through screen, so something to consider as well. As far as the operation, they are going to operate very well, give you the cleaning option to where if it is a second story, you would be able to stick your hand through here and clean the window, both sides. The screen again would come off from the inside. Now down here is an awning window. However, an awning window, if you can see here, is going to have the scissor hinge system on it. It's not going to open up nearly as far as your casement window, so your ventilating area is really limited. These do work well for certain areas, but not all applications. Over here is going to be another picture window. Now this is the same XO that I had talked about. However, this one does have that more visibly see-through screen. Now Pella offers an easy slide casement. This casement window is not going to be a crank window, it's going to be a slide window, which is easy to operate. Their screens are almost as transparent. Here's another operation. This is considered a single hung. There is some confusion out there on what is a single hung versus a double hung. A single hung will have just one operating panel, a double hung both panels. On a single hung, this is fixed and this one operates. Now, if you are on a second story cleaning this exterior upper piece of glass, when it is a single hung window is definitely a chore, almost to where you are hiring somebody to clean that glass. There are some window manufacturing companies that would allow a easy tilt sash to where that lower panel can lift up about 4 to 6 inches. You can tilt it in, you can clean it, then that allows you to reach up and wash that glass as well. Now on a double hung, both of the upper and the lower window will be able to tilt in. Depending on which manufacturing company, chances are on a double hung, it will. You'll see 2 tabs on the side, click in, fold it in. If you have any questions or want to come in and take a look at our showroom so you can do a side-by-side comparison, operate the windows, give us a call at 480-906-4109 or log on to azwindowreplacement.com. See you soon.